Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn many interesting things about the earth. So, globe is a model of earth is the lesson. So, today what are the interesting things here? So, in the evening or in the night, when you are going outside, you look at the sky, automatically you can see the moon. So, while we are going, especially in the full moon day, you can see the moon in the sky. What is the shape of the moon? The shape of the moon is look like a round or ball. Okay, is it or not? So that shape, then we will get doubt immediately. What is the doubt we will get? We get the doubt that how the earth seems to be if we are going to the moon and look at the earth how it is. So then the people will get the doubt. Then for that we can know through the internet how it will be. Some of the people in 1960s went to the moon and take the photographs of the earth. Immediately you can check the shape of the earth and how it seems to be by when we are looking at it from the far distance or from moon. Okay, it is the nearest satellite of the earth. The moon is the satellite of the earth, and from there they taken the photographs of the earth. Then it is also seems to be like a moon only. So how the moon is seems to be like that only, earth also seems to be. So like that earth, how the moon is looks like that shape only the earth also. It was observed by the people in the internet, or you can see by opening the internet. Actually, so what is the shape of the earth? We told that the earth is like that of the moon only. Earth is also like that of the moon only. So here the globe I brought, you can see the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is round like a ball. 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 What we can say the shape of this? The shape of the earth is spherical. In other words, we can say it is a spherical. The shape of the earth is spherical. So here we understand two things. One is the people get out when they are looking at the moon. Okay, but how the earth seems to be. So for that we can see in the internet, and in the internet the photographs which are taken from the moon of the earth, from the moon they taken the photographs of the earth. It also seems to be like that of the moon only. Okay, so that's why we can say the earth is like a round and also is spherical. It was proved. Okay, so now we see the globe. What is the color? You can find most of the part of the earth is, the globe is in blue color. The most part of the globe is in blue color. Is it clear? So why it is in blue color? Because most of the earth is covered with water. So most of the earth is covered with water. That's why it seems to be in blue color. The earth seems to be in blue color. Then you observe the moon also. On full moon day you observe. If you see the moon on full moon day, the color of the moon is in gold color or yellow color. But the color of the earth is in blue color. Why? Because the most part of the earth is covered with water. That's why it is in blue color. The otherwise, earth is also called as blue planet. Earth is called as blue planet. Earth is called as blue planet. So, if you observe this, okay, so we observe the earth is in blue color. Most of the earth is covered with water, that's why it is in blue color. And this blue color, that's why the earth is called as blue planet. See, again I am telling, if you observe the moon is in yellow color or gold color. From there they taken the photographs and it seems to be a blue moon, like a blue moon. So why it is in blue color? Earth is in blue color. Why it is in blue color? Because most part of the earth is covered with water. That's why it is in blue color. Okay, blue, that's why earth is called as blue planet. And if you observe the globe, what we can find out? Blue color is oceans and seas, and other color is a land part. And on the land part we can see land, water. And also continents, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, all these continents we can see on this. And also major countries. What we can see on the globe? On the globe we can see land, water, continents, oceans, most important countries. On the globe what we can see? We can see so I told you that earth is round like a ball and it is in spherical shape. What the most part of the earth is covered with water, that's why it seems to be like a blue moon, and that is also called as blue planet. Earth is also called as blue planet because it is in blue color. Why it is in blue color? Because most of the part is covered with water. Is it clear? So some of the people, they went in 1960s, went to the moon and take the photographs of the earth, and that also seems to be a blue moon. Okay, how the shape of the moon will be look like that only earth is also look like. That's why it is called a blue moon or a blue planet. It is not a satellite, it is a planet. Okay, I will tell you the difference between the satellite and the planet later. Okay, so this is about the, so what we can see on the globe. Say globe is a model of the earth, and what we can see on the globe? Water, land part, water part, continents, oceans, seas and major countries can be seen on the globe. On the globe we can see land, water, continents, oceans and major countries. Okay ma'am? So what we can observe on the globe? See, on the globe we can observe land, water, oceans, continents and major countries. Etc. These can be seen on the globe. So we are already told that earth is like a ball. Okay, earth is like a ball or spherical in shape. So if you take anything, so if you want to make it stand, it will be stand here, for example. If you make anything wanted to stand here, can it stand? It fall down. So all the people are getting doubt. So it is in round shape. If the people are standing on the top, can stand. If they are standing here, they may fall down. If they stand on the bottom, they may fall down. Is it or not? But the people, all the places they are living. Here Australia is there, some people are living. Here South America is there, here also people are living. Here Africa is there are also people living. And here North America is there are also people living. And they are not falling off. They are stand on. In all the places people are living in the world except Antarctica. Antarctica is down of the globe. So at the bottom of the globe, Antarctica is there. There people cannot live. Why? Because it is completely covered with ice. I will tell you later. So here the people are living in Australia and South America and Russia and Europe. In all the places people are. But they are not fall down. Why? Because the earth works or acts like a powerful magnet, very powerful magnet. If anything will keep, it will attract. They are not fall off the earth. Actually, they fall on the earth. Understand? The people are not fall off the earth, but they fall on the earth because it attracts, it pulls towards the land because of its gravitational power. Gravitational power is nothing but the attraction or magnet power. How the magnet is attracted each other? Like that only the earth also attract all the things. If you observe the same thing here, if you take anything and drop, it fall on the earth. So because earth acts like a powerful magnet. One more thing we are learning. Earth acts means nothing but the works. Action, function are same, works like a powerful magnet. Okay, earth works like a powerful magnet. Earth acts like a powerful magnet. That's why no one is fall off the earth. Actually, the people are fall on the earth because of its gravitational power. So you take anything and drop, it will fall down on the earth only. They are not fall off the earth. Fall on the earth but never fall off the earth. So one more thing I am telling you. So you are already observed the shape of the earth is spherical or round. If you want to draw the same thing on the board on a paper, you take any round and you will draw like this. What is the shape? It is the round shape or spherical shape. Actually, the earth is not in a spherical shape. It is not perfectly sphere, but at the poles, at the top and bottom, it was little pressed. Okay, top and bottom will be pressed, and in the middle, at the equator, it is slightly bulged. Okay, so the earth is not in a perfect shape of the sphere. At the bottom and top and north pole and south pole it was pressed, and in the middle or the center of the earth was bulged. See here, I drawn with the help of the banging. Take the banging and draw like this. Any round shape you can draw. Okay, like that, this is the shape of the round earth. So till now I am telling the shape of the earth is in round and like a sphere, but it is not a perfect spherical shape. It is not in perfect spherical shape at the north pole and the south pole. Little will be pressed, and in the middle little bit it will be bulged. It cannot be seen on the globe or on the map. It can be observed through the observation only. Okay, then if you come to the other point. So I told you already that the earth is, most part of the earth is covered with blue color. What is the blue color? That is, the blue color resembles the water, that is the water bodies. Water bodies are, large water bodies are called as oceans. Huge water bodies, huge, very big. Huge means very big, which extends, which stretches. Okay, huge water bodies, or these stretches hundreds, thousands, hundreds and kilometers. Okay, huge, the water bodies, the huge water bodies which extended thousands and hundreds and thousands of kilometers is called as oceans or seas. So what is the special character of these oceans? Oceans are salty water. The taste of water is salty, and the number of minerals will be salt, chlorine, sodium, all these things will be there in the, so many minerals are dissolved in the ocean water. So if you are daily drinking the water, what is the taste of that water? Sweet or tasteless. But the water in the oceans and the seas are salt. That's why this water is also called as salty water. Okay, no number of minerals are dissolved in the oceans. They stretches hundreds and thousands of kilometers, and the very huge water bodies which stretches hundreds and thousands of kilometers are called as oceans. Again I am repeating the same thing. The huge water bodies which stretches thousands and hundreds of kilometers on the earth's surface are called as oceans and seas. With the taste of the ocean water is salty, the taste of the sea water is salty. So this is called salty water bodies also. Number of that minerals are dissolved in the ocean water. So if you come to these oceans are, okay, these huge water bodies are divided into four kinds. Okay, according to our textbook, four oceans are there. The huge water bodies are divided into four oceans. What are they? First one is Pacific Ocean. What is the special character of this Pacific Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is largest ocean. Very big, largest ocean in the world. Okay, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It is only among all the oceans which is the biggest one. And next one, if you come to this, it is a deepest ocean, and also it is always very calm. That's why it is called as Pacific Ocean. So what is the specialty of this Pacific Ocean? Pacific Ocean is the ocean which is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Okay. Next one is Atlantic Ocean. Okay. This Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. It is the second largest ocean, and also Africa, Europe and Asia divided because of the Atlantic Ocean. Here Europe is there and Asia, Europe and Africa and Asia are there. Here South America and North America are there. These will be divided by the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean divides the Europe and Africa from North America and South America. Okay? Then, if you come to the other thing, that is Indian Ocean. That Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. Third largest ocean in the world is Indian Ocean. Okay, fourth one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and it's covered with ice throughout the year. It is covered with ice throughout the year. Okay, so again I am telling, Again I am telling, the water bodies are, huge water bodies are called as oceans. There are 4 oceans. They are divided, the water bodies are divided into, the water body is divided into 4 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. If you take the Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean and deepest ocean. Because of its calmness, it is called as a Pacific Ocean. Second one is the Atlantic Ocean, second largest ocean, which divides the Europe and Africa from North America and South America. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean, which covered with ice all throughout the year. Teacher, actually we learn 5 oceans, but you are telling only the 4 oceans. Okay, I am telling now only 4 oceans. Well, okay, the other ocean what is? See here Pacific Ocean is there. And here Atlantic Ocean is here. See here Atlantic Ocean. Here the Pacific Ocean. And here the Indian Ocean. The south part, here Arctic Ocean is there. 4 oceans are. The oceans, this south part of Indian Ocean, south part of Pacific Ocean, south part of Atlantic Ocean. Okay, named as a separate ocean, which is called as Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Because it is called Southern Ocean because of the south part of the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, named as a Southern Ocean, south part of these 3 oceans. And not only that, another name is there for that is Antarctic Ocean. The water around the Antarctica is called as Antarctica Ocean. So that this was, we call it as Southern Ocean. First one we can write Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Why it is called as Southern Ocean? First, why it is called as Antarctic Ocean? It is the water part around the Antarctica is called as Antarctic Ocean, or the southern part of the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean is named separately as a Southern Ocean. Total 5 oceans we can say, or 4 oceans also. Okay, now I am going to repeat the same thing. So globe is a model of the earth. So if you see the moon, it seems to be a round like ball, and from the moon we taken the photograph. We means our scientists taken the photographs, the space. Okay, from there, from the space, the earth seems to be like a moon only. What is the shape you are observing the moon? The same shape will be the shape of the earth also. The same thing will be, and the globe is a model of earth. See, the globe is the model of the earth, and it is round like a ball, and it is called as a spherical shape. On the globe, we can see the blue color more and other colors also there. On the globe, blue color is more. Why? Because it is covered with water. Most part of the earth is covered with water. That's why it is in blue color. From the space we taken the photograph. The photograph color is in blue color. So that is, it is called as blue moon also, or blue planet. It is blue moon not because moon is satellite, earth is planet. So it is a blue planet. Here on the globe, what we can observe? Oceans, continents, water bodies and land bodies and major countries. And if you observe the interesting thing about the shape of the earth, and in the shape of the earth is like a ball, but at the north pole and south pole these would be plus, and in the middle of the earth it was little bulged. Okay, then if the people are living in all the parts of the earth, if anyone is standing on the top, he can stand, but on the bottom, on the middle, they may fall down. This is our wrong idea. But everywhere people are living, but they are not fall off the earth. Instead, that they are falling on the earth. Why? Because earth works like a magnet, powerful magnet. If anything you drop from top, it will fall on the earth only, because the earth works like a powerful magnet. So next one is this. I also told that if anyone started from one point, If they are going on the same point, again they reach to the same point. Same point. Why? Because earth is round. That is one of. So in the olden days, people thought that earth is like a flat, like a table. If anyone is moving from any side, they thought that they may fall the sky. That's why they are not interested to send them long distances. But 600 years ago, the explorers, the seafarers, find out that earth is round or in a spherical shape. So, one of the Italian explorer, that is Columbus, started from Europe, moved towards the west and reached the Caribbean islands. If still he moves, he may come back to the same point, but he was not taken the movement to more. Okay, children, we are going to learn more interesting things about the earth tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.